We're going to go over the review sheet for Unit 2 here. Number 1 is just solve for x. And so we need to do distributive property first. And so 8 times 2x is 16x. And so you get 16x. 8 times 6 is 48. Still have the minus 4x and still have equals 12. You're going to minus the 4x, combine like terms. So 4x, negative 4x, or 16x. 16 minus 4 is 12. So 12x minus 48 equals 12. Add the 48 over. You get 12x equals 60. Divide by 12 on both sides, you get x equals 5. So that's my answer. I've solved it. Number 2, I need to distribute 3 times x, 3 times 6. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 6 is 18. So it'd be 3x minus 18 is less than 12. And so that would be the first step, which means B would be the first step. I would then add 18 over. So I get 3x is less than 30. And so that would be C. I then divide by 3, I divide by a positive, no flipping of signs. And so I get x is less than 10. And so it would be B, C, D in order there. The volume of a pyramid is given by V equals BH over 3. And so to get the 3 off bottom, I'm going to times by 3. And I do that to both sides. And so I get 3V equals BH. I'm trying to solve for B, so I divide by H. And so I get 3V divided by H equals B, which I'm going to say is my answer, because that's all I needed to get was B by itself. All right. For this one, I'm solving on number 4 here. I need to add 7 to both sides. And so I get 3, and then absolute value x minus 1 equals 15. And then I divide 3 on both sides. I get x minus 1 equals 5. And then 2 cases then. X minus 1 equals 5. X minus 1 equals negative 5. And so that is this C and this E. I solve them both. I add 1. I add 1. And so x equals 6 and negative 4. So the answer there is D. 62 minutes, give or take 5 minutes. So 62, give or take 5 minutes. Means the lowest you're going to spend is 57. The highest you're going to spend is 67. And those are included, so they've got to have the or equal to sign. And so it's that one. Here I want to put it in standard form, so I minus the 3x over. I get negative 3x plus y equals negative 5. And if you needed to, you would say A equals negative 3, B equals 1, and C equals negative 5. And you could times those all by negative 1, or I would simply accept that. For this one, write y minus 7 equals 8 times the quantity x plus 2 in slope-intercept form. I need to solve for y. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 2 is 16. I then add the 7 over. And so I get y equals 8x plus 23. And so my m is 8. Or 8 over 1, and my B is 23. Here, my M, and number 8, my M is 1/2, and my B is 3. And so I'm going to start at B is 3, 1, 2, 3, right there. I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. I could also go back down 1 and back 2. And I take my little pencil, I connect my dots. Number 9, My m is -2 over 1, and my b is -4. So I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And then down 2 over 1 is like off the chart there. So instead of going down 2 and right 1, I'm going to go up 2 and back 1, up 2 and back 1. Take my pencil, connect them, and that is number 9. Number 10. First thing I need to do is get in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. All right, get y is greater than or equal to -4x plus 3. So m is -4 over 1, and b is 3. So I start at 3. 1, 2, 3. Right up here. Go down 4 over 1. Right there. There we go. Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Right there. This tells me it's got the line underneath, so solid line. So solid line. It is y is greater than. So I shade above it. Number 11. Number 11, an embroidery company uses this graph to show the prices. Use the graph to complete the table. Right? So from 0 to 9 shirts. From 0 to 9 shirts. 0 to 9 is up here. And it's counting 2, 4, 6, 8. So counting says $22. So from 0 to 9, it was $22 a shirt. From 10 to 19, it was $20 a shirt. From 20 to 29, 20 to 29, shirts 20 to 29, it was, oh man, that's just above 16, just below 18, we'll call it $17 a shirt. And then right here, from 30 to 39, that's just above 14, below 16. So we'll call it $15 a shirt. Number 12, I need to distribute first. So I'll get 3 times 2x, 3 times 9, and 1/2 times 4x, and 1/2 times 8. And so I get 6x plus 27 plus 2x minus 4 equals 55. Now I want to combine like terms. So I combine my x's, 6x and 2x. Make 8x. 27 and -4 make 23. I minus 23 to both sides. And so I get 8x equals 32. Divide by 8, and I get x equals 4. So x equals 4. Match each graph to its inequality here. And so I'm going to solve each of them here. So 2x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4. 2x is less than or equal to 6. X is less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 means this one right here goes with this one right here. And so now I'll solve this one right here. And so I'll do that over here on the right. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times x is 2x is less than or equal to 4. Minus the 2 over, I get negative 2x is less than or equal to 2. Divide by -2. I have to flip the sign, so x is greater than or equal to -1. And so this one goes with this one, which leaves only one choice here, so I really don't have to solve. I could solve it to check. For number 14, I need to add 9 to both sides. And so I get 2. Absolute value, 6x minus 3 equals 4x plus 30. I divide both sides by 2. I get the absolute value, of 6x minus 3, absolute value, 6x minus 3 equals 2x plus 15. I'm kind of out of space, but I want to try to break this down for you more. So I have two problems. I have 6x minus 3 equals 2x plus 15. And I have 6x minus 3 equals negative 2x minus 15. And so on this one, I minus the 2x over, I add the 3 over, I would get 4x equals 18. Divide both sides by 4, and I get x equals 4.5. Here I would add 2x over and add 3 over, and so I would get 8x equals negative 12. Divide by 8, and I get x equals negative 12 divided by 8 is 1.5. So negative 1.5. $15, which one has no solution? Here I would add 10 over. If I add 10 over, this is a positive, so that has a solution. Here I would minus 9 over, and so that would be negative. So let's look at that one. That's the one I think might be right now. X plus 5 equals, I minus 9 over, I get negative 5, right? Divide by 3, I get x plus 5 equals negative. Well, absolute value can't be negative, and so this is my answer for that problem. Equivalent. Well, I'm going to times everything by 4. And so I get 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. I add 3x over, 3x plus 4y equals 8. 3x plus 4y equals 8 is that one. 17. Remember, you got to treat this like it's 3 problems. Oh, sorry about that. 17. Treat it like it's 3 problems. You got y equals negative 1, and you got y equals 2x, and you got y equals 6. And so let's graph y equals negative 1 is this line right here. Now, it's only 4. X is less than or equal to 0, so x is 0 right here. It's a closed circle because of the or equal to. It points to the left, so the part to the left is included. So it's a closed circle, and I include everything out here, which means I go take my eraser and I erase everything to the right. 2x is m is 2 over 1, b is 0. And so I start at 0 right here, go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And so that is my line, like that. At 0, open circle. Open circle right there. At 3, 1, 2, 3, go up, close circle. So close circle right there. Everything in between, x is between, so I put that there. I go and I erase everything else. Last but not least, y equals 6. Y equals 6 is this whole line right here. Right? I want an open circle, and so it's an open circle at 3. And so it's an open circle kind of around that closed circle and then only to the right. And I erase that part off. And so that was 17. If you have not finished the online review, please go do that. Otherwise, work on your ALEKS.